All right, I mean business, boy. When I put my yeller hat on mixed with this bright red tomato paste looking shirt, do I look like Larry the Cable Guy? Maybe I should do stand-up jokes. Maybe. Do you guys want me to do 30 seconds of jokes before I start each video? That'd be kind of cool. I should get a hold of that Larry the Cable Guy. See if I can, give him a couple $100. Maybe he'll do a little routine for my video. That'd be kind of funny, wouldn't it? He's promoting Live Good or multiple income funnel or maybe my lead gen. All right, that's a good idea. Maybe I'll see if I can get a celebrity to be kind enough to speak for 30 or 60 seconds. That's going to give me something to do in March of 2024. All right, it was a good day. It was a fine day. All right, it was a cold winter day. I wish I could say it was a warm summer night, but March 1st here in Utah where I live, it's a little chilly. All right, chilly nipples. You have to walk around like this or your things will stick out unless you wear 3 coats. Okay. But inside my studio, you know what I do? I don't have to really pay the heat bill. It's kind of included with the pay each month. I crank it to damn near 80. Okay, now 70 is I take that back. 75, not 80. Because 69 to 70 is kind of like that's pretty good. But in the wintertime, I crank it up a couple degrees. That's why I can wear like tank tops and shorts and walk around and just have a good old Friday, even when it's a little chilly outside. All right. Okay, let's talk about what's a really good way that if you don't want to speak to a webcam like this, you don't want to be on video. All right. You don't mind maybe now and then, if you run into a friend or a family member, you can make $25 of cards and buy a domain name, joincory.com at GoDaddy. That's what I do. And then I point this to the Live Good capture page. The handsome guy in the blue shirt pointing. People, they watch a video. 6 minutes. It's a CEO Ben. And then from there, you just make a decision. It's like, I think I'm going to put my name and email address in this darn capture page, and I'm gonna do it. And when they do, I can see their name and address. And what I do is I send them an email. But what's fine? What's fun, which is good for you, is if you're scared to death, and I don't know why, but I get it. You don't want to contact anyone. You're kind of unstable. You're crazy. You're nuts. You're like, no way. I'm scared. I am not going to email someone that just came into my, Live Good family and entered their name and email address. I'll let Live Good do it. And guess what they do? For 30 days, Live Good emails whatever email address they put in that little box. And you might do it right now. Email takes over for a month. And if they want to opt out, because sooner or later, after a week or two, some people might go, I'm just not into this Live Good thing. So what they do, they go to the bottom of the email and they just click opt out. And then they're opted out. And I can see they're opted out on the back list. Okay, when I go to my referrals, it's nice. And then I have a separate list of their names, and I do my best. I alphabeticalize. That way, if their email starts with an F, I can rather quickly find their email, and I delete it from my personal list. Okay, and then, like I said, Live Good does it automatically. Because when someone opts out, you want to respect that. It just means, hey, I was interested, but for some reason, it's just not for me yet. But maybe it will be in a month or two, maybe a year, who knows, but no big deal. There's plenty of other people that will like to look into the opportunity. Okay, so don't be shy. Vista print if you want. Make up some cards. And guess what? On a street level, it is so much easier to go, here you go. Hey, good to meet you. Yeah, just check out this. Boom. The less you say is really the better. And I know that doesn't make sense because most of the time people want that human condition and they want to see you confident or happy or look in your eyes and see if you really believe in what you're trying to sell to get them to join. Okay? And I get it. I can always make a video and say less is more and just try not to over-explain Live Good. And I highly, highly recommend that. And the reason why is this. See, if I can show you a business card and you just say, I'll look into it. And you go home, or let's say you're in your car sitting there, or you're, laying in bed watching your cell phone screen, or you could be at home sitting at a desk like this. I'm at a home computer right now. And you just watch and go, God, I'm kind of interested in this. And if you are, you'll put your name and email address in. I'll know right away. Okay? And I'll definitely reach out and I'll go, God, that's great. I'm glad you're interested. I know a lot about Live Good. I think I can help you. If you join, all right, let's do some business. And if you're new, because see, I've almost been in Live Good for a year. My anniversary is about March into April. That's when I said, I'm going to do this darn thing. And since it's March right now, let's just say in a month, it'll be my 1 year anniversary where I can pat myself on the back and say, hey, you know what? You made a bunch of video. You did some cards, business cards. You like to post with a purpose. And 6 months ago, I become darn good at emailing. And what email does is it consistently blasts out a lot of fun messages, crazy messages, serious messages, short ones. Hey, look at this opportunity. But I form a relationship. And right now I have about 30,000 emails just with my lead gen. I've got another 30 to 50,000 with artificial intelligence. And everybody thinks, well, do emails work? This is how I look at email contacts. Just because they're called a lead or a person, a click, no matter what, all you're getting is an email. And you're hoping that it really is somebody that might be open to your opportunity. In my case, I like Live Good as the starter. Okay, it's cheap, it's affordable, it definitely is awesome. Then I go to baby steps to, multiple income funnel. Okay, it's a nice system that will help you get people to join Live Good, but it'll also put some nice money in your pocket so you can afford to wait for Live Good to grow. Just like, hey, get those little seeds. You go to like a Home Depot, get some soil. You got a little water hanging around, don't you? All right, put that in the dirt. Okay, that's what Live Good is. Some people have some quick money in Live Good, and good for them. Okay, but realistically, Live Good, it's a seed. And I like to put dirt and water and love and care and little kisses, maybe a little milk and honey too. And that's what I bring to the table are some things that complement Live Good. So you can put some nice money in your pocket while you are waiting for that little baby, that little Groot. I am Groot. Okay? You just want him to grow up and be badass. Because during the movie, remember, he always starts out as a baby and grows up to be big and badass. That's Live Good. You want to see how serious I take Groot? I made a Lego kit of him. You want to see him? He's right here off to the side of my camera. I'll do my best impression. I am Groot. Look at that. That is a Lego version of Groot. It's about 10 inches big, and look at that. It's got even a mixtape from the 80s in his hand. But please think of Live Good as Groot, baby Groot. And let's grow Groot into a real big, real fun, real nice opportunity for folks, because it is. It just takes time, that's all. And with email, it takes time too. You want to email some people maybe about what's going on in your life, maybe the Super Bowl, maybe you got something that you accomplished, and do a little storytelling. There's nothing wrong with emailing somebody because they can opt out, guys. They can block you. They can opt out. And if they want to opt out, or if they email you back and say remove or stop, you know what that means. You delete them. You know what to do. But I'm good at forming relationships over a period of time on email. I don't look as email like I sent an email and it didn't work. I send 50 emails because people are somehow entertained by my emails, I think. Otherwise, they would opt out. Now, if they're fake or robots, I don't care because they're in a list. All I need is a few people to write me back. I had 2 people sign up yesterday for my emails. They're like, what statistics? How do you know? Because I'm not shy. I ask them. If you saw my phone, guys, and this is live right now. All right, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 4 signups coming in. I don't know if you can see I'm going to kind of block because they're personal information. These 4 are from email. Okay, what they do is they get my email, then they see that my contact information is at the bottom, and then they usually do this. They text me. They want to see if it's for real. Is it an old video? Is it out of date? Am I doing a number that goes to an auto? Hi, thanks for calling. If you're interested in Live Good, press 1. No, this is my real cell phone. I've had the same cell number 30-something years. Okay, this phone's brand new, and it cost more than my first 70 Chevelle back in 1980. And I'm not kidding you. $1,400 for a phone. Stupid dumbass me. It's my fault. No one's a bigger dumbass than me. I just wanted that Samsung S24 Plus Ultra with a ton of memory because I put a lot of memories in my phone. Memories of the way we used to Well, the way we were. That's almost like a Barbra Streisand song. I should be Neil Diamond. Call that gal up and see if I can do a love song video. Ooh, I got to get some celebrities on my YouTube channel, guys. I can only talk about Live Good so much, but if I can get Barbra Streisand or Neil Diamond on one of my videos, now we're talking. I'll do it too. I'm not shy. I'll tell you what, if I ran into that gal, I'd go right up to her and go, you're going to be on a YouTube video. And if Neil Diamond, I go, nah, Neil Diamond, that song Solitary Man, I think it's like 1969. It's like only 2 minutes long. But when I hear that song, it literally makes me cry. I wish I could play Neil Diamond on this video, but they shut it down because I don't own the rights to play music. You know, no one does, except YouTube. They bootleg and steal everything for free. I have Neil Diamond on the background and they shut my channel down. But listen to Solitary Man by Neil Diamond. You got a couple minutes? Do it. Damn good song. Okay. Guys, I just want you to join. All right. I just want you to look into Live Good. We need to get you going. I want your 2024 to be really good. And I mean financially. Because if you can start making some side money or some really decent money, I'm talking $5,000 or more a month, you're going to feel good. You're going to feel good about yourself. And I know I can help you do that. I firmly believe I can. Otherwise, I do not. I say this every time. I can probably be successful right now in Live Good and all the other stuff I do without video at this point. But I really enjoy video the most. All right, it takes up a lot of time. I can't ever get that back. And I think you can see that when I talk, I really think you can do this. I can say it on a video. Maybe I can print it on my card. Cory Draper, I know you can do this. Okay? But on a video, I'm not actor of the year. I'm not a good actor like Corey Feldman or Hulk Hogan. Those are good actors. I'm full of crap, but I'm definitely not a good actor. I like to laugh and play with Groot here. But yeah, when it comes to acting, I can act like a fool. That's about it. So, okay, let's just get you in Live Good. We'll take baby steps. We'll see what your budget is. Let's look at what your experience level is. And we'll take it from there. All right, save up a few $100. If you're watching me right now and you're broke, that's okay. Sell something. I don't know. Sell one of your kids. Put them on eBay. I think eBay has a kid section now, especially for brats. You'll only get half price for a brat. But if you have a really cool kid that's pretty nice, you can probably get $500. Don't quote me on that. Now, I can see me getting suspended now on probably YouTube for encouraging. Is it human purchasing? Is that what it is? So, all right. You guys save some money if you don't have it. All right. You got a couple $100. That's what I think is minimum to get you into Live Good. Get some emails coming in. $25 for about a business card. GoDaddy cost me about $11 and some change for just a domain name that is new. Okay. joinyournamenow.com. Might even if your name is Snuffleupagus, snuffleupagus.com. Join Snuffle. joinsnufflenow.com. You guys get it. Let's do it. We're going to have some fun. You're going to make some damn money. I want you to. Disclaimer, disclaimer. All right. Can't promise nothing, but I think you have a good chance of doing it, kids. All right. Thank you for your time. All right. And let's get you in Live Good. And let's get you subscribed to my YouTube channel because I have a hankering. I'm going to do about 3,000 videos that all pertain to Live Good and a couple things that complement Live Good in 2024. And I want you aboard. Okay. All right. Take care, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.